I got a 201tc here and it is leaking fuel. And when you turn it upside down, you can see the fuel coming out of that breather hole. See? So it's cracked right on there. We'll get a new tank breather installed. I got the part right here. So I'm trying to get it out here. And it's got one clip there, a clip up there, and a clip up there. I'd start with the top one, just work our way out. So it's already free. No, it is not. There you guys go. You can see a better shot of that. So you can slide that top piece off first if you want to. You know, it's already busted, so don't want to cause any more damage though, you know. I'm gonna push my finger back here, and then I'm also gonna work it out. Like I said, I just pushed my finger right there and I worked it out. And then on the last one, like I said, I pushed my finger through and it popped right out. There's where it's broken and there's the new piece. So let's slap it all back together. So it went back together pretty easy. So it just snapped right in. I put the line on and it is not leaking anymore. I just flipped it upside down and checked it. So we'll take it to the job and it'd be another saw we can use. All right, thanks guys. Hope that was a little informative. It's a ms201tc tank vent replacement, and I'm sure it's the same for the 200. Thanks guys.